Here's how to make a Chainsawman helmet. To create the helmet part, draw out this stencil and cut it out twice. Then glue the flat piece of cardboard in a curved arch around the front of the helmet. Then do that twice and glue them together. Once you've done that, lay it flat on the chainsaw part and trace it, and then cut it out and glue it to the headpiece. Here I will cut out the eye slits. Here's the lower jaw, and I'm going to connect that to the head with some paper tubes. Here's what the unpainted mask looks like on my face. And now it's finally painted. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.